families that lived here changed it to Point Amour, Point of Love, so much better.
Yes.
So in the middle 1800s, the steamships were becoming popular for transatlantic crossings. And what was happening, they were coming through what we see here today, the Strait of Belle Isle, going up into the Gulf of St. Lawrence. It saved the ships 2 days' travel from going around the south coast of Newfoundland. Even though this is a shorter route, it's a very dangerous route with strong currents, with the fog that comes in and it goes out and it comes in very quickly sometimes, but it actually can just disappear before your eyes. Icebergs that we don't have today, but they're very beautiful and very large and very scary in the fog. So shipwrecks were happening. So Upper Canada, Lower Canada is what we call Ontario, Quebec. The province of Canada at that time got together with Britain and decided we're going to build some light stations. And these light stations had to be built very strong to withstand the winds, the weather that we get here. So they put one on Belle Isle to the entrance, right on the south side, this one here to the middle, one on Anacostia Island in the Gulf of St. Lawrence, and on the other side is Gaspé, Quebec, Cap de Rosier. So the 4 light stations are built like castles or imperial towers from Europe. They're built out of limestone. They're layered with fire brick and cedar on the outside to protect it from the saltwater spray. So it's built to withstand the 200 kilometers wind sometimes we get here. And I always say if we're getting 300 kilometers, we're all moving in here. But of course, what they done, they guided the ships up through and out through, the lightkeepers would say.
All right, we all made it this far. Now we got 2 ladders. This one doesn't look too bad, but I don't know. We'll see. There's a grip on the right.
Here it is.
Oh, we're up at the light up here. Almost up the top.
Yeah.
Oh, it's closed in.
Look at this one.
I'm up at the light. Made it up to the top here. We're inside. I thought we were going to be outside. I'm a sweat ball here. But yeah, there's the outside. You're going to see some reflections here. But yeah, there it is.
Oh my God, look at it.
Can walk around.
Oh, look at this thing. Oh, look at the light.
Yeah.
This is, look at the lighting.
Fresnel lens there, I guess.
Wow. Oh my God.
Yeah. There's the other buildings that they talked about there.
Real light.
Yeah.
The lighthouse. Look at this.
People are still coming up the ladder and everything. Everybody made it up safely. No accident reports.
Hello MTV.
M1 Man Travel. It's M1 Man Travel. Some of my intrepid fellow travelers up here were the first ones to take the ladders here and did it rather quickly.
Oh my goodness!
Wow.
All right, we made it here. Okay. There's the light. They only got one on during the day, but I guess maybe they put other ones on. They got some spare bulbs in there in case one burns out, another one comes on probably there. But yeah, and you can walk in there.
Right.
In the old days, they'd probably have an oil thing that you'd have to fill up all the time. And that's what that hole was. I saw the cable down there, so yeah. All right, Fresnel lens here. And I guess this doesn't have it because it's mainly out to sea. You don't need it back here. Okay, so why spend the money for the... Oh, this is from up the lighthouse. And we're getting ready to head back down here. Look at that. You can see out here for miles and miles. Lush green, everything green up here. We got the lens. I think it's the Fresnel lens or whatever that magnifies the light and sends it straight out, so you don't get any rays going that way. You get your straight rays going out. Although now it's electric bulb, but they used to have kerosene with the wicks, and actually whale oil that they used to use here. But look at this inside here. This is a lighthouse. Really neat. Now our problem is I'm going to have to go back down here, of course. They're waving. They can't see us. See if they see us up there.
You know, or
No.
coming off the bus, you can tell right there.
No, they didn't see us. All right, waving to them there. They were looking. Okay.
Yeah,
You
so
gotta
when
hit-
they're ready,
hit-
what I mean.
Okay, yes, I know that. Gotta keep this head here in good shape here, okay. We got down the first one. This is the base of the lamp up there. There it is.
Sit on your
We
butt.
did one ladder. People picking various ways of going down, of course. Personal preference. We got this
I
other
didn't
one.
think that was bad at all.
Here. Okay. Gotta watch my head here. Another window here outside. You come around here. Couldn't do it going up because I had to watch what I was doing. Still gotta watch what I'm doing going down. But a little bit less watching. Let the camera do its job and I'll watch my feet here. Feet, do your duty. All right, still coming down. Going down. Going down. Next floor, menswear. All right. We're on a mission here now. Yeah. Now I got to transition to another railing here. Okay. Yeah. And this is with the room to look to see how it was made in here, I think. Yes. This is the construction. They did it from, they said like the inside out. And then put fire bricks on the outside and then cedar wood on top of that. And what that last layer is, I guess that's wood too, to protect it, the mortar from the wood and the salt water, that it wouldn't corrode that. So, because the wood, I guess you could replace fairly easily. And yeah, there it is. Well, this second floor of the lighthouse, I think, was the living area. And you can see in here, looks like one of the bedrooms in here. There's a bureau with stuff and pictures and whatnot in here. Yeah, pretty good. Got your kids' table here. The wireless room. This is the wireless room here, I think. Dee 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 dee. Oh, you can make a bracelet. Make a Morse code bracelet here. First message said.
Did you talk about the dresser?
Yeah, how you make the bracelet, it's dots and dashes, so you can like spell your name out, I guess, on there with dots and dashes for different colors, but I don't have enough time for that right now. So we got an old typewriter, old violin, have a little music session here. Here's the building. Yeah, we got some school books here. All right, there's the Morse guy up there. Okay.
Yeah, we'll give them $1 for optic.
Oh, some old hats. Looks like a tam o' shanty there, maybe. The dresses for ladies.
Oh, Ed, feel free to try on some of the 1900s.
Well, I said you could try on some of the stuff. It's mostly all ladies, but you try on the hat here. Hey, gotta go up and change the oil in the bulb here. Another time I gotta climb those steps here. 10,000 times here. All right, arr. See you later. I'm one man trap. Oh, I got another seal skin up there. We got all these little leaves or something here. I don't know what they look like, little leaves. Maybe they're drying out for, maybe that's Labrador tea. I still have to try some of that. That was downstairs. Well, here's the outside of the lighthouse. We were just climbed, and inside of that building where the lighthouse guy, or two families I think used to live, and it lived many generations. But there's the lighthouse. We got some wires in the way, but can't help that. Beautiful day, windy outside, but we were right up. You can see the people up in there, inside there, part of our other group up there. I don't see it, they're waving. Okay, see if I get a wave back from any of them. They don't see me. They're just, okay, don't give a wave here. Okay, hello, hello. Nobody sees me, nobody's waving back there. Okay, all right, okay. Well, this is the Heritage Center. So, I don't know what this is. Well, I think we're walking down to the gift shop, and there might be something else here too. But there's the Canadian flag. We're in Labrador. This is August 2024. There was the lighthouse up there. So yeah, all right. Here we go. Beautiful day. A little chilly, but it's afternoon now. It's almost 3 o'clock, so it's warmed up. And it was a lot colder this morning. Oh, we're leaving the lighthouse now. Save your bags here. Oh, look here. Soon the lighthouse will be coming into view. We got the old flag blowing there. Yeah. And that's the room where they had the little snacks in there if you wanted. There's the old lighthouse there. They're coming by. Just inside there. There we go. Heading back in.